Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my question is about cholesterol.
Cholesterol, right? What about it?
Is that real?
Sorry?
Is that real?
Cholesterol, is it real? Is cholesterol real? Is that your question?
That's correct.
Yes, I think cholesterol is real, yeah.
So what do you say about the cholesterol hype that's going on in today's so-called medical studies that past 4 decades, the pharmaceutical companies has done nothing but to sell their pill to the people by quoting they have high cholesterol. And the pill has done nothing more than thinning their blood and causing more diseases than anything else.
Well, look, first of all, we cannot deny that there is cholesterol. And there are different types of cholesterols. And there are different amounts of cholesterol. So once we accept that, the question then is, what can we do about it? What should we do about it? Drug companies are there to sell you their solutions to a problem. It is your choice then to empower yourself with appropriate level of knowledge and skill to make a healthy choice in saying, yes, I will take these pharmaceutical cholesterol controlling drugs, or no, I will actually not use these and I will modify and change my lifestyle and use alternative and healthy options.